Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your email inbox to Obsidian and how you can save your emails directly into that particular vault. So first of all, simply open the Obsidian application on your desktop. Now over here in the bottom left hand corner of the screen, you just have to open that particular vault where you want to store your emails. So I'm just going to simply select this. Now you need to click on the gear icon right next to it. It is going to launch the settings of Obsidian. So over here inside the settings, simply look for the option that says community plugins. Inside the community plugins, you are going to see the option of exit restricted mode button. So you just have to simply click on that, and this way you will be landed on this particular page. Now over here, click on the option of browse. Then among the available community plugins, you just have to simply search for the email plugin, such as you can just simply search for the mailbox. So over here you will find the Gmail mailbox. So you just have to simply click on it. Now after clicking on it, you will be shown the option of install. So simply click on the option of install. Now once the installation is completed, simply click on the option of enable in order to enable this plugin. Now after doing this, you can just simply open the plugins settings, and for Gmail you just have to click on the option of connect and sign in into your Gmail account when the authorization window opens in front of you. Then simply approve the request of the email permission and you are done. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.